Hey, I opened this up in Maya 2015, and I recommend at this point in this class that you use this version as, it's less confusing. All the videos are in that. I can show you in 2016 or, as well, but anyways, also, but if you do use this version, make sure you get Service Pack 6, where it says SP6 right there. You need to download that update if it's not there when you first get it. So I had an error when I first opened this, and I just noticed a couple things that concerned me about this. So I don't know why there's so many edges here. And it's interesting when I go to pick an edge. In some cases, actually it's working fine now. I was getting a weird result before, but I'm going to go ahead and whoops. Delete out some of these edges. Control delete to delete edge. I'm not sure why there were so many extra edges there. Can I lose this one too? I would. Yeah, I wouldn't mind losing that as well. It's not changing the shape too much. Okay, and then yeah, actually, yeah, this happened before. So then I got this. I had this crazy thing happening where I go to double click on an edge and it does this weird thing. So then I went to mesh cleanup, and I think I'm just using the defaults here. Oh, maybe not, but and then now, it's still acting crazy. Let me make sure the object was actually. I think the object was not selected when I did that. Let's try that again. Mesh cleanup. Still acting crazy. Let's delete the history first, and then try cleanup. Let's see, it says result, and there's not really any results there, so that's not so good. So let's turn on some more stuff here. I think I had concave faces. We can fix, any faces with more than 4 sides. We can tessellate them. That's a good idea. Non-manifold geometry. Okay, that looks better. Now we're getting some results. All right, now it's back to normal. Okay, so that's a good idea for models in general. So let's delete history again. Okay, now if I go to display, polygons, texture border edges, I wish that these were easier to see, but theoretically I did see some borders show up, so theoretically it should unfold. So let's go to the UV texture. Actually, I'll do right mouse click, 2 panes side by side, and let's make one of these the UV texture editor. And now unfold. So that's what I got before. It just, I don't know, that didn't work well. So I don't know why, but what I might do is just start over with the cutting, because I don't know why it's not unfolding, and I'm guessing maybe it's the cuts, or maybe it's the cuts since I ran the cleanup thing messed up all the cuts, which is very possible. So let's just go to create UVs and planar mapping. And it doesn't really matter, that just kind of what that looks like. It just kind of unifies everything for now. So yeah, again, let's just delete the history off of him. And let's start cutting him up now. Symmetry work for that. No. It does not. Don't know why. Okay. Cut. cut. Maybe more. Let's do this. I'm kind of just doing a quick and dirty version of this just to see if the thing's functioning at all, and then you can go back in and do it properly. But anyways. Somewhere along the fingers that I can do. Oh geez, those don't connect. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to cut the whole thing because I'll be here for an hour. But yeah, here's another area. It's like, why are all these edges here? Oh, some of that might have been the tessellation from the fix I did. Very probably. Alright, well that's enough to see if it's trying to unfold at all. Dang. Yeah, I mean it just needs a lot more cuts, although it's interesting. Yeah, it did cut the feet off. Okay, I think it's working. I think you just need lots more cuts to get this going. Don't know what that is. Oh, the hands. Yeah. No, I think it's working. I just think you need to get all the cuts in there. So that's my recommendation. I mean, we could try repeating this on 2016, which is about the same as 2017. Yeah, still getting some errors. Oh, it seems worse. Okay. Ooh. Is that just some kind of transparency thing? I don't know. Let's look at the hypershade is where. Don't know if. Yeah, it's not a transparent material. Oh, do we have X-rays turned on? Ah, that's all that was. Okay, sorry. I thought I had a transparent material on it. The wireframe still looks a little weird to me in this version. It's almost as if there's like two surfaces on top of it. Oh, that's not the case in this other file, though, is it? No. I don't know why. Weird. Don't know. I mean, we can try running the same thing, mesh. You know, the menu items are the same here. Faces with more than one side, non-manifold geometry. What else did I say? Concave. Delete by type history. Let's just see without any additional cuts or anything. Let's just see if it unfolds. Okay, I think it's working. It's not crashing on me. So try the cleanup stuff. If you want to stick with the newer version of Maya, you can try that. I can't remember what you say you're on 2016 or 2017. Oh, you're in 2017, so maybe it's a 2017 thing, but I kind of doubt it. So try that other stuff and let me know how it goes. Okay.